none other than Burlington. See that heart? Okay, what I have from Ross. First item up is this beautiful animal print. Do you see how cute this is? This is so cute. And this was a clearance item. I paid, you can see that. I paid $4.99 for this, and it's knit, and it does have some stretch to it. And next up, oh God, this is on trend right now. And I paid what? $3.99. Okay. And I love colors. I love to see colors like this on darker skin, like skin tones my color, and darker. Oh my God, so beautiful. And I also got this necklace. This is Lucky Brand, and it's the Hand of Protection. Okay, and it's a Lucky Brand. Some people call it the Fatima hand. Depends on what background you're coming from. And this was none other than, can you see, $14.99. So this wasn't on clearance, but I just had to get it because I love the detail in it. It has turquoise stone in there, and it's gold too. This is like an antique gold, and what attracted me to it was the box. See that pink and that gold? Okay, that's what's so attractive about it. Things like this calls me to it. Okay, but I am an animal print lover, and items, things like this, it never goes out of style. It never goes out of style. Okay, and that's from Ross. So what I spent at Ross was $14.99. So let's just say 15. And this was $3.50 for this neon color. And this was $5. So what did I spend? 5, 15, 20, 24 bucks at Ross. Who can beat that? Okay, let me take this off of my hanger here. And these are the underwears, briefs, okay? And I noticed I got them in an extra large, but it's too late. Okay, I'm trying to find. Okay, that's good. So it's too late because I really should have gotten these in a large, but I didn't. But this is pink. I love pink. It's so girly. And then they're seamless. They don't, you won't be able to see a panty line. So I like these. Okay, and it came with 3 in a pack, and they were $8.99. And then what I also got was this nice bra right here. So I'm gonna take it off of the hanger. And these hangers came from HSN, and I got these, oh, maybe, let's see, 2 years, 3 years ago. It may be longer than that, but they're sturdy and they're supposed to hold, well, they do hold the fabric, not supposed to. They hold your fabric, your shirt, blouse, or whatever, pant. It holds it on the hanger. So, but here we go. This bra, this is a Daisy Fuentes. And she makes some very good products here. Okay, I love a wide back bra. It just make you feel, extra supportive, which is always good. We want to feel, snug and comfy, but not bulging at the different uh, areas of your back. So wherever your uh, areas are that you're concerned about, you want the bra to cater to that area. So this is a nice bra. $8.99. I couldn't beat that. So I spent $8.99, $8.99. Let's just say 99. What is that? 18 bucks. So 20 here, 24 here. Okay, 44 bucks. Plus I got this necklace too. So it's like you can't beat those. You can't beat that. And if you're interested in this unit that I have on, I paid for all these items here with my own money. I'll leave a link in the description to give you more deets and specs about this unit. So if you see me do this a lot with my hands, it's because it helps me talk. It helps me formulate and enunciate and pronounce words. So that is why I use my hands a lot, because it helps me talk and, just help me to convey what I'm trying to get out. So thus is the reason. So I want to thank you again. This is your girl Virgo Creativity coming in, chiming in. Just want to give a quick little haul on what I've collected so far for the summer. I can't get over this neon. Ooh, look at it. It's so bright, right? Yes. So leave me a comment. Drop me something down in the comment section and let me know, what are you looking for the summer? Are you looking for a nice bathing suit? Are you going to switch your style up for the summer? Do something daring that you've never done, with your wardrobe before? So just let me know. Okay. Thank you. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe too, okay? It's free.